Today we will discuss queries using use wizard to create query. Means by clicking wizard, how can we create query? How can we call data from the table? So just last video we have seen how to create query in design view. Second, today we will explain or we will discuss just how can we create query using a wizard. Click on use wizard, and in this wizard we have a tables. In a tables there are four tables. Two is a query table, and a list of two is a table like emp and product. If you want to ask some data from the query data or a table data, just go through the table name and click. Then available fields are there. If you want to only add a emp id and emp designation and emp name, okay, just use a arrow key, left arrow, and right arrow is suppose you want to not show the only designation, just go through this, and again you want to use a salary, click on this and salary. Okay, then click on finish. After finish you have a data emp id, emp name, and ecell. Seems very easy term in the sense when you click on the again query and edit again we have options like this. Or another example, let's just click on query wizard and select a table. In table select a column name and ecell like this, and sorting order, you can sort the data as per the emp id, descending or ascending. Okay, search condition, you can also apply the search condition. Okay, greater than equal to, less than or equal to, details summary you can also use details, aliases you can use aliases also, and overview is a textual form or statement form of your query, of your questions. Yes, we are calling fields in the query: employee id, designation, and salary, sorting order, emp id, ascending, no condition about. Means what the steps we have used or selected from 1 2 3 4 5 6, all this statement will, all this action will be recorded as a statement breaks, and overview just show the statements. Means after the completion of these steps, you are just go with the steps key. Yes, I have given for this condition, I have given condition for this column, and it is very easy to go through this overview and click on finish. When you click on finish, your data will display like a tabular format. Okay, yes, take queries, use wizard, then select table, then select column, all column, then finish a sorting order. If you want to sort the data, emp id ascending, emp name descending order, then means you can sort column by column by column. Search condition, search, you can also search here emp id who is equal to, greater than, detail and summary. Then aliases, you can give the aliases also, overview, what was the queries, and then click finish. After finish we have a data in a query emp like this format. Okay, thank you. Next video we will discuss about the create query in a SQL view. Thank you.